Hey guys, this is Vivek from Big Geek channel and I'm really excited because it's Flipkart's Big Billion Days. The BBD or rather the Flipkart Big Billion Days sale will be live on from September 29th to October 4th. And what else can be the best days in a year for shopping? This Flipkart BBD sale will give you the best deals at best prices on every category of products that you can literally imagine. Now I remember like last year when there was this Flipkart BBD sale, I went ahead and bought so many products and I literally saved so much money because of these deals and discounts that were on offer. But I also missed some flash deals which I'm looking forward to this year to actually buy those products, because the flash deals, as the name suggests, doesn't last long. So you got to grab it very quickly. In this video, I'm going to reveal you the details on the storage devices. Like if we look at the category wise, storage devices range from memory cards to SSDs. So watch the video till the end. There is some surprise things on BBD sales which I will reveal to you. So make sure you watch the video till the end. Now what's the deal, you ask? There are some crazy deals on pen drives. Example, the one from Sony. It's a 32 GB pen drive that costs only rupees 349. Did you hear that? Don't worry, you can find the link in the description section of this video. Just go and grab one. The next one is from HP. Now if you are wanting to buy memory cards, HP is giving you at a flash deal. It won't last long because I said it is on flash sale. Don't miss like I did it last year, guys. So there will be lowest prices on pen drives as well as memory cards starting from rupees 199. Also huge discounts on hard disks. If you have been thinking to buy hard disks or even to gift your friends or colleagues, this is the time. Hard disk will be available starting from rupees 2999, that is 2999. Internal and external hard disks from major brands like SanDisk, Samsung, Kingston, Western Digital, Seagate, you name it, they have got it starting from rupees 1299. Where these deals awesome? Wait, there's more. I'm revealing to you. Brace yourselves. I know it's getting exciting. The biggest ever price drop on storage device. You heard that right. Flipkart Smartbuy 64 GB memory card, which is priced at 1799, will be available on offer only rupees 599. By the way, the link is in the description section of this video. Thank me later. SanDisk 64 GB memory card, which is priced at 1745, will be available at rupees 699. Then what about the new launches, you may ask? Samsung SSD priced at 8354. Remember, new launch 8354 rupees will be available only at 5999. That's I think massive price drop for the new launch. Remember, it's new launch. It's also shock resistant and password protected SSD. Apart from all these massive discounts on storage devices, in general applicable to all other categories as well, Flipkart is giving you many options to buy conveniently. Like if you have got Axis Bank and ICICI Bank credit as well as debit cards, you'll get 10% instant discount. You can also avail multiple loan options such as cardless credit, Flipkart Pay Later, and you also have the no cost EMI option on leading banks, debit as well as credit cards. There is also full utilization of Flipkart's super coins, like you can use it on 100 plus Flipkart partners like Ola, Oyo, Urban Clap, 1MG, PhonePe and whatnot. You can also earn 4x super coins from their partners and PhonePe as well. What more? There will be limited editions, which means they are limited to only few. So you gotta grab it quickly, and brand new launches on Flipkart on this, the Big Billion Days special. Remember guys, it's only 6 days starting 29th of September to 4th of October. So guys, what are you waiting for? I have already started wish listing you to have a happy shopping.